The 2013 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes. The BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, aluminum wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, climate control, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.